We know that the earth is full of many kinds of beautiful creatures. But some are beautiful to look at but have deadly poison inside. Today I am introducing such creatures here. The blue poison dart frog lives in a tropical rainforest of South America. It is among the most beautiful frogs. It looks fascinating that people want to pick it up. This is something that one should not do. It is because this frog has a highly poisonous skin. It has a striking blue skin, which is a warning to its predators that is dangerous. The skin is covered with glands that produce strong toxins. It is only about 5 centimeters in length. It is mostly terrestrial, but is often found by a stream or a pond where the environment is dark and moist. Black widows are notorious spiders identified by their abdomens colored, hourglass-shaped marks. Several species answer to the name, and they are found in temperate regions around the world. This spider's bite is much feared because its venom is reported to be 15 times stronger than a rattlesnake's. In humans, bites produce muscle aches, nausea, and a paralysis of the diaphragm that can make breathing difficult. However, contrary to popular belief, most people who are bitten suffer no serious damage, let alone death. But bites can be fatal, usually to small children, the elderly, or the infirm. Fortunately, fatalities are fairly rare. The spiders are non-aggressive and bite only in self-defense, such as when someone accidentally sits on them. The deathstalker is one of the most dangerous scorpions on the planet. Yet some believe its venom, yours for $39 million a gallon, can preserve life. For many desert dwellers and outdoor enthusiasts, they are the creatures of nightmares, tiny arachnids that scuttle across the sand or hide in between rocks, and when threatened raise their spiked tails to strike, injecting their victims with venom. The UAE alone is home to some 24 species of scorpions, including the Arabian fat-tailed scorpion and the ominously named deathstalker, or Liurus quinquestriatus. In extreme cases, scorpion stings can result in coma or death.